Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to guide you guys on how to use Google Chat on iPhone. Watch the video till the end and you'll be able to do it in no time. First of all, tap open your Google Chat account. Then after that, you'll be loaded to a page interface something like this. In this home page, you can see a chat icon in the left lower corner. By tapping on that, you can chat with various friends that have Google Chat. Tap on it and you can chat with your friends if you have a chat list. If not, then you can see new chat option in the lower corner of your screen. Tap on new chat. After tapping, a window like this will pop up and you can see create a space, browse a space and message requests. You can tap on create a space first and create a space where you can chat with various friends. Firstly, give your space a name. I'm typing wonderful and tap on next. After that, if you want to add people, you'll have to type in the Google account of your friends to add in that space. If not, then you can tap on skip, which is on the right upper corner of your screen. After typing in the account of your friend, you can tap on done, which is also on the right upper corner of your screen. After that, you'll be loaded to a page interface something like this, and in the chat box, you can type in anything and send on the chat. Besides the chat option, you can see files and tasks. If you tap on files, you can see various files you have shared. If you haven't shared, then you can tap on the plus icon which is on the right lower corner of your screen and share various files. Then in the task option, after you tap that, you'll be loaded to a page interface something like this, and in this task bar you can see a tick option in the right lower corner. After you tap that, you can add various to-do lists on your task bar, and finally tap on save. Now when you go back to your home page again, by tapping on the back button on the left upper corner, you will see a wonderful space created. That is a new space you had just created. Tap on new chat again, and after you tap on it, you'll be loaded to this page again, and you can see browse spaces at the second option. Tap on it. After tapping on browse spaces, you can find a space by typing its name and join that space. Furthermore, you can tap on message request and you can see any chat request you have got. So that's it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.